What's up, guys? All right, I got some course updates. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing with the course and share the updates. Give me a moment. Actually, haven't made them live, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm just going to go down and click to publish all of these. So I added a new section about selling physically on eBay. And how this can be useful from a dropshipping perspective if you're able to do it for various reasons. It makes your account more stable, basically. Because from an eBay reps perspective, if you're just dropshipping, you're sketchy. If you're selling physically and you got some dropshipping going on, you're less sketchy. Like, the reality was, like in my case, I sold Nintendo Game Boys, right? And there were times where I was able to get better results because the reps liked that I was selling Nintendo Game Boys and backlighting them. The reality is I was selling like one Game Boy a month and I had one listing for it. Meanwhile, there's like 98,000 other listings. So we're talking about like less than 1% of available listings, right? So the reality is that the Game Boys are very irrelevant. I'm very much a dropshipper, but it still didn't matter. eBay reps liked that there was some actual physical selling going on. It makes you more kind of legitimate, and also it's an easy way to like route around PayPal jail because you can start out just selling some physical stuff. And so in this section, I talk about like how I sold on eBay, what rates I used to do commission sales, how buying used products for your personal life and selling them used allows you to like rent stuff, and how to go about doing that on eBay, how to get better results out of used products, make it less likely that you buy a used product and it dies like a week or two later. Because that's always the story that's said, but like in my case, I always buy used, and I haven't had something fail on me straight away yet, like something important at least. My laptop failed 14 months later, but I mean, like it ended up working out, right? So what else? Yeah, there's information about how to navigate eBay, like how to do a little bit of research about it, the different formats that you can use on eBay, like how to use auctions from a selling perspective, not from like a dropshipping perspective. Some tips and tricks about like places to source from, including Craigslist and Rasmus, and information about selling Nintendo products and Magic the Gathering cards. Cool. So this is the section that I just added like right now while recording this video. But there's a whole bunch more I'm adding. I'm trying to do a new section every week. So if we scroll down to the bottom, you can see, okay, this is all of the videos that are being added, right? So these are all the updates that are coming out. We got tons of stuff. My perspective now is, okay, I'm not going to be doing drop shipping for a little bit. I definitely want to take some time away from it because I've been doing, like, drop shipping's been a central theme of my life every day for the past, like, 3 years of my existence. And I have bigger opportunities now. And that's kind of the role that drop shipping should play, is it should be a stepping stone to other things that are more relevant to, like, making you happy and that kind of thing, right? But as things stand now, there's tons of segments, tons of snippets of information that I've learned from all of this that I still haven't put into the course. So what I'm focusing on now is making sure that the course accurately represents everything that I learned. And again, this isn't like a guide on how to set up a dropshipping business. This course is an overview of dropshipping as an industry, showing you how eBay feels about it, what their history is, what tools people use, what different strategies, what different websites, all of these things. I view the course as kind of a map. And then once you understand the map, then you can figure out where you want to go and what you want to get more involved with. But if you don't even know what the other options are, if you don't even have that picture, then it's really hard to learn, right? So I'm trying to just make all of that accessible. I want everything in my head that's useful about dropshipping to be reflected in this course. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.